Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep foxes out of your yard. This video will explore how to ward off these predators that prey on domestic animals in your property. So stick around to the end of the video. Install a fence. Install secure fencing with no spaces, as foxes take advantage of the gaps. Since they dig up unwanted holes to create entry and exit access, add 2 layers of concrete onto the ground before mounting the fence. Alternatively, create an L shape on the bottom of the fence before securing it beneath the ground. Foxes can leap up 3 feet high, so you may want to install a higher fence. Also, attach a fence roller on top of your fence so that when they jump, they won't be able to grasp on anything and will fall off. Install motion-activated lighting. Foxes hate bright light, and they'll typically get frightened and run away if any abrupt lighting appears. Invest in proper lighting for your yard, such as the motion-activated sensor lights. Install motion-activated sprinklers. Another way to scare foxes and keep them at bay is by using water. Using motion-activated sprinklers that are particularly made to deter pests. Use an ultrasonic fox repellent. These motion-activated devices emit ultrasonic sounds that are inaudible to humans. They can frighten foxes in your yard and cause them to flee. Use prickle strips. These are weatherproof plastic mats covered in tiny spikes, and they're very uncomfortable underfoot. Installation is done by embedding them slightly below ground level, with the spikes pointing upwards and slightly covered with soil. They're efficient for inhibiting foxes from digging up your lawn while enabling plants to flourish. Use unpleasant scents. Foxes have a very strong sense of smell, and you can use their sensitivity to your benefit. Use repulsive scents from chili pepper, vinegar, or garlic to keep foxes away from your yard. Keep your yard tidy. Overgrown places are sanctuaries for pests, and foxes feel secure to hide in sheltered gardens. Clearing up your yard by trimming the hedges, removing any rubbish, cutting the grass, and keeping everything tidy can be beneficial in getting rid of foxes. So there you have it. Foxes can be troublesome, and I hope this video helped in keeping them off your yard. Please leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.